Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Elsa NVIDIA A800 40GB active GPU with HBM2 memory. So friend, Elsa had initiated the distribution of the NVIDIA A800 40GB active AI GPU card. Model number is EQRA 840GER, boasting 14GB of HP2 memory, boasting 40GB of HBM2 memory, and the NVIDIA A800 40GB acting is powered by the NVIDIA Ampere architecture featuring 6912 CUDA cores, 432 Tensor cores, and substantial 40GB HBM2 video memory with a remarkable bandwidth of 5120 bits, delivering a memory bandwidth of 1555.2 Gbps. And in terms of performance, the GPU exhibits the peak of FP64 calculation performance of 9.7 TF LOPS and a peak tension core calculation performance of 623.8 TF LOPS. It utilizes the PCI Express 4.0 into 16-pin interface and requires a single 16-pin auxiliary power connector. It's important to note that this GPU does not include an output interface, necessitating the use of a separate graphics card. And friend, it consumes 240 watts of power and employs an active blower fan for cooling. Additionally, the product includes a 3-year subscription to NVIDIA AI Enterprise. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.